Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Education Arena. Today I am going to discuss about the class 10 Geography chapter 3 from Social Science, the Geography of the World, and this one part 2. The first topic, topography of the ocean floor. The water surface of the ocean is smooth, but their bottom topography is very rough, like the topography of the lithosphere. Means the topography of the lithosphere is covered with different mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, etc. And like this, the ocean topography means the bottom of the ocean topography also covered with different oceanic features. Like this, the bottom of the ocean is covered with different fishes. The average depth of the ocean floor is 4,000 meters. The topography of the ocean floor are divided into following parts. Number 1, continental shelf. Number 2, continental slope. Number 3, very deep oceanic floor. Number 4, deep oceanic trends. Continental shelf, the shallow part of the ocean and sea, depth up to about 200 meters, surrounding the coast is called the continental shelf. This is the picture of continental shelf. Then next one, continental slope. The considerably deep part about 2000 meters after the continental shelf is known as the continental slope. After the continental shelf, the next one is continental slope. Number 3, very deep oceanic floor. After the continental slope, there exists very deep oceanic floor and depth up to 4000 meters. This is called very deep oceanic floor. This one, the picture of very deep oceanic floor. Last one, number 4, deep oceanic trends. Deep oceanic trends on an average depth up to 8,000 meters in the middle of the ocean and a large number of scattered reefs, islands, etc. appearing above the sea level. This is called deep oceanic trends. Here you see different parts of the ocean topography. Next topic, distributions and characteristics of the ocean. All of you know that in the world there are 5 oceans. Number 1, Pacific Ocean. Number 2, Atlantic Ocean. Number 3, Indian Ocean. Number 4, Southern Ocean. And number 5, Arctic Ocean. Today I am going to discuss about the distributions and the characteristics of these 5 oceans. The number 1, Pacific Ocean. The land area of the Pacific Ocean is 165 million kilometers square, and the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Then Pacific Ocean covers about 1/3 of the Earth's surface area. The Pacific Ocean is surrounded by the United States of America, eastern part of Siberia, and the Arctic Ocean on the north, Australia, New Zealand, and the Southern Ocean on the south, western coast of North and South America on the east, and eastern coast of Asia and islands of Japan, Philippines, etc. on the west. This is the location of the Pacific Ocean. The average depth of the Pacific Ocean is about 5,000 meters, and the Pacific Ocean has at least 20,000 number of small and big oceanic islands, and such as Japan, Taiwan, Philippines, New Zealand, Indonesia, etc. The Pacific Ocean has some oceanic trenches such as the deepest Mariana Trench, Philippines, Tonga, Peru, Chile, etc. And the major sea under the Pacific Ocean are Bering Sea, Japan Sea, South China Sea, Philippines Sea, Alaska Sea, etc. This is the picture of Pacific Ocean. Then number 2, Atlantic Ocean. The land area of Atlantic Ocean is 82 million kilometers square. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. And Atlantic Ocean covers about 1/6 the Earth's surface area, and it is about half of the Pacific Ocean. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean is like that of English letter S. Here you can see the shape of the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is surrounded by Greenland and the Arctic Ocean on the north, the Southern Ocean on the south, the continents of Europe and Africa on the east, and the continents of North America and South America on the west. See the boundary of the Atlantic Ocean. The average depth of the Atlantic Ocean is about 3000 meters. There is a ridge named Mid-Atlantic Ridge almost in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean in north to south direction, and its northern part is called Dolphin Rise and the southern part is called Challenger Rise. Here you can see the two parts of Atlantic Ocean. The northern part is Dolphin Rise and the southern part is Challenger Rise. Atlantic Ocean has small and big ocean islands such as Iceland, Newfoundland, West Indies, Canary, Falkland, Bermuda, etc. And Atlantic Ocean has some important oceanic trenches like Romance and South Sandwich. The major seas under the Atlantic Ocean are Baltic Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, Labrador Sea, Hudson Sea, etc. Then number 3, Indian Ocean. The land area of the Indian Ocean is 73 million kilometers square. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. The Indian Ocean is bounded on the north by Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, on the south by the Southern Ocean, on the east by Australia and the islands of Southeast Asia, and on the west by Africa and Madagascar. Depth of the Indian Ocean is about 4000 meters. Oceanic trenches are Sunda, Madagascar, Crozet, etc. This is the location of the Indian Ocean. Sea under the Indian Ocean are Arabian Sea, Persian Gulf, Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea, Red Sea, etc. And important oceanic islands in the Indian Ocean are Sri Lanka, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Indonesia, Maldives, Mauritius, Madagascar, etc. Then number 4, Southern Ocean. The land area of the Southern Ocean is 20 million kilometers square, and Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean in the world, and it surrounds the continent of Antarctica. This is the location of the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean lies to the south of 40 degrees south latitude, and due to its location in the South Polar region, the Southern Ocean remains covered with ice in most part of the year. This is the location of the Southern Ocean, and this ocean is located in the South Pole. The last one, number 5, Arctic Ocean. The land area of Arctic Ocean is about 40 million kilometers square. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world, and the area is about 1/5 of the Indian Ocean. As the Arctic Ocean surrounds the North Pole, its shape is circular. In fact, the northern part of Asia, Europe and North America surround the Arctic Ocean, and its average depth is about 3500 meters. This is the location of the Arctic Ocean, and it is located in the North Pole, and its shape is circular. Due to its location in the North Polar region, the Arctic Ocean remains covered with thick ice in most part of the year, like the Southern Ocean. Means like the Southern Ocean, it's also covered with the ice. Thank you.